Hey, welcome back everybody. It's JP with Max Tr3 Revival. In this video, I was going to try and finish buttoning up the front end and get the coil springs in. I ran across an issue and, sometimes you got to take one step back to move a little forward. When we finish out this video, you'll know. So here we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Had a buddy of mine lend me the wrench that I needed. This is what you do on a Wednesday night after a tough, long day at work. Put the coil spring in. We've got it in place. Got the wrench. And got all the bolts in. Got all the nuts on the bottom. I just haven't put the, so I have to back them off a little bit to get the cotter pins in. But it went pretty smooth. This is a homemade tool that I got. Just loosening back off right now. Might be easier to put the rebound brackets in now, but might be in the way when I go to put the shock in. And I think I need some weight on the front end to take care of that anyway, so. Some days I hate being in the garage. Super frustrating and not going my way. The last video, I was trying to get everything ready to go, all the bushes in, which I did. And so I was trying to button it up and get things done so I could get the coil springs in. Got one in and then realized I'm gonna have to take it all apart because I forgot to torque this right here. So I was tightening it down, trying to get it lined up so I could at least get the cotter pin in. I was thinking I'll just compress it up and then be able to get the socket on, but it's not going to go far enough. I'm going to have to take the coil spring back out. With it all tightened up, right here, you can see that I'm not close to getting to this hole. I've got some original nuts, and that would get me there with the washer. You can see it's a lot thinner, and that would get me where I need to be, but that might be on the inside of it. So I couldn't even get this one all the way off because it's too close to the coil spring holder, whatever you want to call this part right here. Now I got to disassemble it all, drop the pan again, pull the coil spring out so I can raise this up enough to get it torqued. Then I'll torque the bottom as well. Got over to this side and I hadn't put the coil spring in yet and was trying to get it to seat, and somehow I guess I got it twisted when I put it on there, and it never would clear and crush down, and it looks like there had been a repair before on this arm right here. So I don't know if that's the proper diameter. So what I'm gonna have to do is check the inside one, get to the outside one, and see if maybe I just need to clean this up a little because this knurled piece never was crushing in. Guess I got a new ball joint on the way. I don't want to put faith in the fact that these threads are goofed up because that's the part where you're holding it right there. That's where the nut sits. I guess I'll figure out on this side what I want to do, get the part on order and go from there. Swing and a miss. It's a swing and a miss. So proof that it does work, that's my buddy. He wants to go in. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to take it apart one more time and drop that out so I can get this in. I reordered the ball joint, and the other ones that I got coming in take a nylock. You ready to go in, buddy? All right, here we go.
Hey, Bob.
Did modify a little bit on this side where the hole was measured, and it was a little oblong. Got that fit. Hopefully when I tighten that down, it won't mess anything up. If you've seen my videos up until now, you know that I'm waiting on parts. I am also looking for the rear shackle brackets. I got lots and lots of bends and lots of parts. I'm gonna go through all these bends one by one and see if I can't put my fingers on them, because once I get the front end tightened up and get the hubs and the rotors back on, then I want to get the rear end ready to go so I can get it basically in a roller status. One box down and eliminated that the shackle brackets are not in that bin. 22 more to go. The search is on. I got 4 of them all checked out. I know exactly what's in those, and I'm starting to go through a couple more. I did find an interesting item. I mean, if you've seen one of these. The only thing is, I was looking at it, and I don't even remember where it came from. One of these has a little bit of damage to it, so I'm wondering if I could get that repaired and use that. I know it's called the Hurricane fan. Probably need a little straightening. Anyway, if you have any suggestions on what I could do to get that repaired, because I hear that keeps things a lot cooler. That could be a good thing since I'm in the kind of the semi-hot region. All right, so got a little bit more to go. Those boxes still to go through. Hunting down the shackle brackets and waiting on replacement with ball joints. Everything in yellow is installed. Also got a run total of what those parts are worth. Got my headphones on jamming, listening to some music. So thanks so much for following along, and we'll see you when I get the replacement parts in and we button up the front end. Hopefully by then we'll know where the shackle brackets are. All right, take care.